Are you experiencing a persistent black screen on your Samsung Galaxy during calls? In this video, we'll guide you through troubleshooting this issue. Firstly, if you need to access call features during a call, simply press the power button to activate the screen. If pressing the power button doesn't work, try removing your phone's case, as it may be interfering with the proximity sensor. Once the case is removed, attempt to access the screen again. After ending the call, it's advisable to force stop the phone app before initiating another call. To do this, press and hold the phone app icon, tap on the eye icon, then select Force Stop at the bottom right corner. Confirm by tapping on OK. Lastly, ensure your phone software is up to date. Screen blackout issues during calls could be due to bugs in the One UI software. Open the Settings app, go to Software Update, and select Download and Install. If an update is available, proceed with downloading and installing it. These solutions will resolve the black screen issue during calls on Samsung devices. Don't forget to subscribe to Guiding Tech and delve into one of our specially curated videos tailored just for you.